me if you can.
It's been a while.
Who needs a drink?
I do. I want a boilo.
That's a tough song for the first
Man,
one.
Grant. He's playing the accordion.
Yeah, Graham, all that money is
Go
spent.
dance.
that
Go
money.
up and dance in front of the
I told you it
tree.
was a waste of time.
Those two ain't got was a bicycle.
Yeah, they all got bikes, I got an accordion. How does that work out? I think Aunt Trina could play a whole lot better than I can.
Oh, I don't think. You always told me you were a million times better than me.
I was.
There you go. Record that one.
Sing, Carol.
It's good enough. We're not going to the second verse.
Yay!
I already lost it.